So if you're anything like me, you've been bombarded over the years with fad diets that all claim to be the best for general health, weight loss, and muscle building. But today I'm going to talk to you about one that's picked up some serious traction in the general public over the past couple years, and it's the ketogenic diet. Now, before I get into the ketogenic diet, I'm going to just give a quick breakdown using myself as an example, using my trusty high-tech pie chart right here. My daily nutritional values. 50% of my calories are said to come by carbohydrates. 30% of my calories are said to come by protein, and 20% of my calories are said to come from fats. Now, how does the ketogenic diet differ? This is a trusty pie chart for the keto diet, and as you can see, majority of the chart is taken up by fats. And now I know what you're thinking. Doesn't eating a lot of fat make you fat? Now, good question, obnoxiously close to the camera, Anthony. No. In the short answer, it doesn't. Ketogenic diet works off putting your body in a state of ketosis. So now, what is ketosis? Ketosis is when your body doesn't have glucose from the food you eat, so it turns to burning fat cells for energy. Sounds wonderful. Kinda is wonderful. So let's get into a further breakdown of how this works and how we can do it. Well, the simple answer is to say sayonara to bread and pasta and potatoes.
To the man, shoots it, and boom goes the dynamite.
Ditch the bread, you can say hello to some of your new best friends. Olive oil, avocado, butter. Lots and lots of butter. Now, the butter talk can scare some people away into thinking, won't it affect my cholesterol levels? Studies have shown that a ketogenic diet can actually help improve your cholesterol levels and get your LDL to HDL levels at a healthy, balanced ratio. Before everyone goes and runs and starts doing the keto diet today, there are a few things that you should know about. Because most people's bodies are so used to running off carbohydrates and sugars for years, if you do an immediate switch to a low-carb, high-fat diet, you'll experience something known as the keto flu. And that's when your body goes through a quick transition from high carbs to little to no carbs, and you suffer flu-like symptoms because your body essentially is going, what the heck are you doing to me? You're depriving me of my energy source. Another common side effect with someone doing the keto diet is actually bad breath. And this is because when your body's in the state of ketosis, it's releasing ketones, and the ketones said to make your breath smell of almost like a nail polish remover, which is not pleasant. Now, along with the previous risks of the keto diet that we talked about, author and health coach Kayla Gorel says to be very careful with the keto diet because she says too much animal protein over a long period of time can cause damage to kidneys, and also says that it's not a long-term solution for people looking just to diet for weight loss and overall health. She does say an overall diet lower in carbohydrates and higher in vegetables, whole grains, and fruits can be great for someone looking to lose weight and general overall health. Now, it might seem scary to think of using a high-fat, low-carb, moderate protein diet, but it's really not that difficult when you think about it. If you give yourself a lot of good, healthy fat sources, such as avocados and olive oil, and also you do good, lean protein choices, like chicken or some red meat, and then be very selective with your carbohydrate sources. So ditch the bread, ditch the pasta, and eat more of your leafy green vegetables that are high in vitamins and minerals for your bodily functions, the keto diet is actually super simple to adhere to and has very good long-lasting benefits.